Hey dolls, what's up? I'm Yuna and today, wow, we're finally unboxing a Fab Fit Fun on my channel. Yay! So if you don't already know, Fab Fit Fun is a seasonal box and it is $49.99 a box. You do get some sort of discount if you buy them all together for the year. However, this is beauty, health, lifestyle, household stuff, pretty much just the whole season in a box. And I'm opening it up and the first thing I see is a coupon for 10 free meals. We are definitely going to be using this. We have been debating on trying HelloFresh for a while, so I'm going to be hanging on to this. Alright, and it comes with our little magazine that tells us everything about what we got. So we're just going to put that to the side for now. And the first thing we have in here is from Caravan, and it is a beautiful rug. This is going right in my kitchen. Let's see, it is 100% cotton, and it is 21 inches by 34 inches. And you can machine wash this, and I just think that is just so classic. I love geometric patterns. I love the whole black and white. So this definitely will fit in with our home. All right, and next we have 4 silicone straws, and it's from Chic and Tonic. And it comes with a cleaner and also a little carrying case. So if you want to take a straw with you to the park or to work, let's take a look. Okay, so there's 4 in here. Let's pull one out. Okay, well, it feels odd for a straw, but let's test it out, shall we? I can dig it. And as always, I'm going to be putting the prices and the names of everything in post. Next we have from AG Hair Care. This is fast food leave-in conditioner. I've been needing a leave-in conditioner for so long. So when I saw this, I was super excited. It says fast food feeds smooth and calms frizzy, thick, or coarse hair instantly. Okay, well, we're gonna try this and see what it can do to my hair. Next we have from This Works, ooh, I love this brand, the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. So this is like a night cream that's supposed to help you sleep. I also have the pillow spray, and I love this. So I'm gonna be trying both of these together to see if it'll help me get even more sleep, because your girl needs some more sleep. We have this great body oil from Jaboneria. I remember watching Alexandria Ryan's video of her unboxing, and she said that this did not smell like rose at all. I'm a little skeptical just because it says rosewood on it, but let's try it out. Ooh. It's very fresh. It's very like citrusy. I love it. That's great. So I'm gonna definitely use that. So next we have from Purely's, we have a watermelon energizing 2-minute peel mask. Let's see. It says this is a skin smoothing, energizing face polish infused with a glycolic acid to gently exfoliate and brighten skin for a radiant complexion in only 2 minutes. Watermelon is packed with vitamins A, B, and C and antioxidants for vital skin health. Okay, I like these kind of things. I do love the smell of watermelon. Anything that's fruity, I love, except cherry. So next we have from Tarte, we got the Tarteist Glow palette. Oh, look what's on the packaging. I don't know if that's from the, oh, yep, that's from the oil on my hands. So we open her up. Ooh, look at all those pretty shades. I think I'm gonna definitely use this palette, you know. I love this cool tone right down here. All the highlights, yes, God, they look amazing. I definitely cannot wait to try this out. And last but certainly not least, we have something from Way. It is actually 8 mud masks, and it comes with a little brush. 4 of them are golden root mud masks, and the other 4 are brown sugar ready glow exfoliating masks. So what I think about this box, I think it was great. I am super excited about the straws. You know, you can't have too many straws. You know, I'm really excited about the rug, and of course the makeup. Everything in it was just a huge win for me. You know, I'm really looking forward to trying everything out, especially the deep hair conditioner, because girl, my hair, with all the bleach I put in it, it can get dry. So I'm definitely gonna be using that tonight, and hopefully tomorrow at work I'll have amazing, gorgeous hair. I probably won't, but you never know. All right, so thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You know, the doll squad is starting to grow. You know, if you aren't following me yet on Instagram, pause this video right now. My Instagram and my Snapchat are right below on the screen. Go ahead and take a quick 5 seconds and follow me there, and you know, follow me on both platforms. And you know, thank you so much for watching again. And if no one has told you yet, you are beautiful, you're wonderful, and you're loved. Bye y'all. Thanks for watching.